I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a nacho platter. First, let's talk about the foundation, your chips. You'll want about 10 to 12 ounces of sturdy tortilla chips that can hold up to all the delicious toppings. Spread them out in a single, even layer on a large baking sheet. This ensures every chip gets some love. Next, prepare your protein. About 1 pound of seasoned ground beef or shredded chicken works wonderfully. This initial layer is crucial for a perfect bite every time. Now that your chips are ready, it's time to add the heart of your nachos, the protein and cheese. Evenly distribute your cooked and seasoned meat, whether it's ground beef or chicken, over that first layer of chips. Then, generously sprinkle about 1 cup of your favorite shredded cheese, like cheddar or Monterey Jack, all over. For extra cheesy goodness, add a second, slightly smaller layer of chips, followed by another ½ cup of cheese. This layering technique ensures every bite is packed with flavor. With all your delicious layers assembled, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your baking sheet in the oven and bake for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is beautifully melted and bubbly and the chips are perfectly crispy. Keep a close eye on them to prevent burning. Once out of the oven, immediately add your fresh toppings. Think vibrant diced tomatoes, zesty sliced jalapenos, and fragrant fresh cilantro for that perfect finish. Your incredible nacho platter is now ready for its grand reveal. To elevate the experience, drizzle with a dollop of cool sour cream, a spoonful of creamy guacamole, or even an extra warm cheese sauce. The key is to serve them immediately, right off the baking sheet, while everything is still wonderfully warm and the cheese is perfectly gooey. For those who love to customize, offer small bowls of extra toppings on the side. Get ready to enjoy your homemade nacho masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.